You've got an electric vehicle, so why are you still hunting for a charging station? What if you could charge right at home or at your business overnight effortlessly, like charging your phone? At Metropolitan Electric Limited, we sell and install MetroCharge EV chargers for every need, from 7 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts home chargers, all the way up to 40, 60, 80 and 160 kilowatts for commercial and high demand setups. Whatever your situation, we've got the right charger for you. Here's how it works. We start with a full site inspection, assessing your powerhouse and identifying the perfect charger's location. Then we handle everything from cable routing, protective conduit installation, cable laying, and a clean professional finish. No mess, no stress, just results. Are you ready to bring your charging station to you? Contact Metropolitan Electric Limited today and let's find the perfect Metro charge for your home or business, because your EV deserves better than a petrol station car park. Bye.